why a prolonged war with Iran will constrain the United States. This is an editorial from The Hindu's opinion section, so let us understand this today. Now, this article discusses why a long-term, prolonged war between the United States and Iran would be a massive headache for Americans, focusing on how fast they are burning through their expensive weapons and where they are getting their raw materials from. Now, let us understand the background of this whole context first. Imagine a high-stakes game where one side has very powerful but limited ammo. Since February 28, in this scenario, a war has broken out in West Asia. Iran has been launching thousands of missiles and drones, and the United States and its allies are using their best defense systems to shoot them down. Now, the problem is the United States is using up its massive way faster than it can build new ones. Now, the three main problems are: number one, the strained stockpile. Now, what exactly is the strained stockpile? Running out of the ammo. The US has used more interceptors missiles that shoot down other missiles in just 6 days than they usually buy in an entire year. For example, the THAAD system. Now, this THAAD system, a super advanced shield, they use this 6.3 times the amount they plan to buy for the whole 2026. The cost is replacing these isn't cheap. Replacing the THAAD and the SM-3 missiles used in the first week would cost over $4 billion. And the supply chain, the ingredient problem. Now, to build high-tech missiles, you need specific minerals like antimony, tungsten, and gallium. The catch is that the US relies heavily on the other countries for these. The rivalry, guess who provides a huge chunk of these minerals? China does. It's hard to fight a war with your opponent when your opponent controls the ingredients you need to make your bullets. Now, there will be a financial burden. War is incredibly expensive. In just 12 days, this conflict has cost an estimated of $16.5 billion, and there is a lot of money that could have been spent on schools, hospitals, or technology now literally going up in smoke. Now, why this matters for civil service examination UPSC? For aspirants, this article touches on the several hot topics in the syllabus. For example, GS paper 2, international relations, this highlights the US-Iran conflict and how it impacts the stability of West Asia. Then for GS paper 3, this becomes highly important: security and economy, resource diplomacy, indigenization of tech, and geopolitics. The key takeaway is you can have the best shield in the world, but if you have 100 shields and the enemy has 1,000 arrows, you're eventually going to have a problem, especially if the person selling you the shield parts is friends with your enemy. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.